welcome to this video. If you're looking to work on your bass playing, you want to learn some classic riffs, and you also want to practice playing with a drummer, then you're in the right place. I'm excited to share with you one of the video lessons from my Riff Meister series. Watch the sample lesson and see how easy it is to get started. So let's jump in right now with this sample video. Welcome to day 2. Today we're going to look at Sissy Strut, an absolute classic by the Meters, featuring George Porter Jr. on bass. This bass line is often played slightly wrong. In this first level I'm going to show you the main riff. Listen to me playing it first with the drum loop. So it uses a kind of descending minor pentatonic shape. Okay, so the minor pentatonic coming down would be that. We don't play the F. Okay. And then we've got, okay, so that's G, A, C, A, C. Okay, so it uses an A there. So that's from the major pentatonic. So it's a kind of mix of both scales really. So it's quite fast. It's a bit tricky, that first bit. So if you get ready around here with your third finger on C, the high C, you can C, B flat, G, E flat. So first of all, just do that shape without the rhythm slowly. Like that. And then put the rhythm in. Okay, and then the next bit. Okay, and then we've got the C, G, G, G. Okay. Try that with me slowly. 3, 4. Again. So it's a bit more tricky under the fingers than it sounds, but just make sure you get that shape, you know the notes first, and then try the rhythm. In this level, I'm going to show you the 2 other sections from the bass line. Listen to me playing the middle section with the drum loop. So this kind of uses the same note choices as the beginning of the main riff. We've got her up on C, G, C, B flat, C, B flat. Okay, so really we just got C, B flat, G and low C. Okay, let's play the first bit. Okay, I'll just loop that round and you join in with me, okay? So we've just got C, G, C, B flat. 3, 4. And then the second bit. Okay. Okay, straight down. And you'll notice the first C of each bar, we've got a dot above it, which means you play it short. Practice it that slowly first. Try it with me. 3, 4. 4. 4. 4. Okay, I'll play the whole of those 2 bars. Join in with me and I'll play it a little bit slower. 3, 4. And again, 3, 4. Okay, that's the middle section, and the last section, it's a really cool section here. It just repeats round and round, kind of under the solos. I'll play that to you with the drum loop. There's some interesting rhythms here. The first rhythm, okay, we've just got G, C, C, G, D, G, okay. Okay, that's the first bar. And then the second bar, okay, it's the same, we've just got that first beat's different. Okay, play it short, the first note. Okay, let's jam around those first two bars. 3, 4. Again. Okay, then the next bar, same as the first bar, starts the same way. Okay, we're putting that B flat in there, okay? And then the last bar. Okay, similar rhythm to the second bar. I'll just play those last two bars. 3, 4. Okay, again. You can have a lot of fun jamming with the solo section of this tune. You can just kind of play what you like. You don't have to stick to that set bass line. So for this level, I'm going to give you a 2-bar loop. I'm going to show you what to play in the first bar, and you can keep repeating that and then put different things each time into the second bar. So this is the basic riff. Okay, so we've got a muted note in there. So if you can't play muted notes, you're just resting your finger lightly on the strings. Like that. Okay, just keep it in the same place. Kind of put your first finger ready on F. So muted and then a note, a proper note. Okay, and that leads into the second bar. Okay, so practice that first kind of riff and then put different things into the second bar. Just have a listen to me now doing that with the drum loop. You now try that with the drum loop. Get that first riff down that I've shown you, and then put loads of different things in. Just try box shapes, different scales. The only way that you're going to really learn how to do this is to experiment, okay? Keep it basic. You don't have to be really busy in the last bar. You can just kind of play those first two beats and then a pickup note. Just try some things and have some fun. If you found this lesson useful, imagine what you'd achieve with both of my Riff Meister courses. Both of the courses contain 20 classic riffs from styles like blues, funk, soul and jazz. You get PDF downloads of all of the riffs and also bespoke live drum loops to practice the riffs to. Ready to take the next step? You can sign up to my bundle deal with both of the Riff Meister courses. So click the link below this video in the description. You can find out more info there and jump in right now.